Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using this palette right here. This is the Anastasia Subculture palette, which a lot of people have been saying horrible things about. It came out for quite some time now, it's been out, but I've been hearing a lot of bad things about this palette, so I thought let me just try it for myself because I don't like to go based off of just like bad reviews all the time because everybody is different. So I'm gonna get into the tutorial. I'm gonna clip this to the side, get it out my face. So I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz for my eyebrows. This is the medium brown. I like to do little strokes going up, so it gives me like that full eyebrow look. Then I just brush it out with the spoolie. So now I'm going to be moisturizing my face, and I'm going to be using this Jose Surreal Skin. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. I'm just gonna apply that all over, and it has like a rose gold type of look to it.
It's really pretty. I just got this the other day, so I don't really have much to say about it yet, but it does feel really good on my skin. With that, I'm going to apply these drops. These are the Moonstone drops, and I like to put a little bit on before my foundation, so I just kind of like. And it has like a really dewy rose gold look to it. So if you're like me and you like your foundation to be dewy, I suggest this underneath your foundation. It's definitely gonna give you that like glow, that really nice glow. And that's the look I've been trying to achieve for so long, and I finally found something that works. I look a little greasy right now, but don't worry, it's gonna come together. So yeah, even though it looks shiny, now I'm gonna add my foundation, and today I'm actually gonna be using Fenty because I'm trying to give it a chance. Fenty actually oxidized on me, so now I'm struggling with dark. It's kind of orange on me, but I'm trying to see if it's gonna like work out. So yeah, Fenty definitely got a little orange, but from Sephora, and I'm gonna apply that all over. I'm trying my hardest to get into this talking in front of the camera thing, so bear with me. I'm not the best at talking in front of the camera, but I think I'm getting better. I believe I'm getting better. So that's pretty much that. It doesn't look that bad. Maybe it's because I got darker, but it looks fine though. It looks good. So yeah. So now my foundation is applied. Now I'm just going to take my Naked Skin from Urban Decay. This is my new concealer. I was using this. I forgot the name of the one I was using before, but I hated it. So now this is what I'm using, and I'm obsessed. I love it. And applying some here, 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 and here. And I'm just going to spread that out. Do my makeup in any particular way. I just I do my makeup real messy. So as long as it comes out good, that's all that matters to me. Now, I'm just going to sculpt out my eyebrows using bring that down.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I honestly didn't want to wear this lip, but I couldn't find my Fenty Gloss Bomb, which is what I wanted to wear with it. But I think this looks pretty good. It's really like in your face. Not really my type of makeup look go-to, but I really don't think there's anything wrong with this palette. What I did notice is really powdery, and I think that's probably why a lot of people weren't feeling it. And I think in order to work with that, I think you should just pretty much use like a good primer. My favorite primer that I use for eyeshadow is the Urban Decay. This is the primer potion, and I don't use it a lot, but in this case, next time I use the Subculture palette, I'm probably gonna have to use this, because yes, there was a lot of fallout. It was very powdery, and that is mainly the reason why people are saying what they're saying about it. The colors are immaculate, but if you don't have something that's gonna like hold those colors in place, it's probably gonna give you problems. Oh, and one more thing, I did actually forget to do something. I just noticed it on camera, because I don't want you guys to kill me if the thumbnail has it and I didn't do it on the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the shade Electric, and I'm gonna just add that to like the tear duct. It's kind of like a green sparkly color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see me do, and I will see you next time.